Vivo's upcoming X300 series is shaping up to be one of the most powerful smartphones of 2025. With massive leaks dropping this week, we now have a near-complete spec sheet, and honestly, it looks like Vivo is going straight for Apple and Samsung's crown. Let's break it down. First up, the display. The Vivo X300 will feature a 6.31-inch LTPO panel with a 1.5K resolution and a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. But here's where it gets wild. The screen is built on BOE's exclusive Q10 Plus substrate, which allows brightness to drop as low as 1 nit for ultra-comfortable night viewing, while it has flat-edge design with perfectly symmetrical ultra-thin bezels. Powering this beast is MediaTek's brand new Dimensity 9500 chipset, which promises flagship-level performance to rival Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite. And Vivo isn't stopping there. They've paired it with their in-house V3 Plus imaging chip, built specifically for computational photography and advanced camera processing. Speaking of cameras, get ready for an absolute monster setup. The main sensor is a 200-megapixel HPB camera with 1x1.4-inch sensor size. Alongside that, you get a 50-megapixel ultra-wide and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto macro lens based on Sony's LYT602 sensor, offering 3x optical zoom and a half-inch sensor size. All of this is backed by Zeiss T coating for sharper and cleaner shots. And yes, even the selfie camera is a flagship-level 50-megapixel shooter. Now here's where Vivo might completely crush the competition: the battery. The X300 is rumored to pack a massive 6,000 mAh cell, making it one of the largest batteries in any flagship this year. And despite that size, it will still support 90-watt wired fast charging plus wireless charging support. For connectivity and hardware, Vivo is throwing in USB 3.2 for superfast data transfer, and of course, the upgraded ultrasonic under-display fingerprint 2.0 system for biometric security. But here's the real question: would you pick the Vivo X300 over the rest of the flagships in this price range? Drop your thoughts in the comments.